how to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. So if you want to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your Instagram application. After that, go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be on the top. And from there, you need to scroll down and you may have settings and activity. Now, under settings and activity, you need to go with account center. From the account center, you need to scroll down again. And the reason that this might be happening is where you're following other Instagram accounts without knowing is because your account might be logged in on some other device. So to prevent that, we want to check your login info. So you need to go with password and security section. From there, you need to go with saved login. Go with your Instagram and go with where you're logged in. Select your Instagram. And as you can see that these are the devices, you need to go and select the device that you don't use. Tap on select devices to log out. After that, select the device and then tap on log out. And once you log out, it will stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.